Hello friends, happy fall equinox. This is a nice breathing exercise to do anytime you're feeling overstimulated. An equinox or any change of season is a nice time also to reevaluate your daily habits, your self-care habits of how you think and how you move and how you feed yourself and how you rest. And you may find in the change of seasons coming into the fall that you're a little more tired sometimes. And so overstimulation is just an overstimulation of the noise around us, what we see and what we take in visually, but also what you're thinking and what you're sensing and your day-to-day activities, which may balance you or imbalance you. It's always a good idea to take a time out to tune in and check in. We'll be doing that together this Sunday at our Recharge and Reset retreat to let go of what doesn't serve us in a way that we think or in the way that we move or the activities that we take on in a day, and bring in what is most important, that nourishes us, that nurtures us, and it helps us feel restored and balanced. Try this alternate nostril breathing, and you can do it for 1 minute, you can do it for 5 minutes or 10 minutes on the time that you have. It's nice first thing in the morning if you feel that you start your day rushed and you want to start your day feeling calmer, or at the end of the day when you're a little speedy or something may have overstimulated you in any of your senses and you just want to restore your inner equilibrium. So find a comfortable seat with your spine nice and long. Close your eyes, take a couple of deep breaths on your own to tune in to see how you're feeling. As though you're just scanning your mind. Am I arriving with a speedy mind or a calm mind? Scan your body. Do I arrive with an energized body or a depleted body? We're not creating a story around it, just simply a very quick noticing of your energy or your emotions. And allow this breath to bring you home to yourself in a sense of calm and natural inner balance. So you can place, I've got my left palm down on my lap and using the thumb and the ring finger to alternatively close the nostrils, just at the top where you'll feel the cartilage of your nose. We don't want to overly, you're not pressing too hard, not too soft, just to close that valve right here. So you'll be inhaling and exhaling alternatively, which balances the mind and the energy channels within our body, the masculine, the feminine, okay? So we'll start by closing off the right nostril and exhale the air completely out the left. You can close your eyes here once you feel comfortable with it. And then inhale a stream of steady flowing breath through the left nostril. Close your left and exhale through the right. At the end of your exhalation, inhale through the right. Closing off the right nostril and exhale through the left. You stay on the left the next time you inhale. Closing off that left nostril and exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Anywhere between 4 and 6 second breath. Exhale, steady stream of flow, exhaling the left. We continue that now, so it's an exhale, inhale, the same side before switching. Draw your awareness just within yourself, finding that calm, quiet space as you breathe in, following the air in, simply noticing it, savoring it, and following the breath out. Allow the spine to stay long, your shoulders, your arms, your facial muscles to remain relaxed. Bring steadiness to your breath so that the inhalation and your exhalation are even in duration. Directing all of your conscious awareness to the flow of your breath, letting go of thought, letting go of time. If there are distractions, you just notice them and you come back to this present moment following the breath, which helps you eliminate distraction, calm all of your senses, give your mind and your body a break to restore itself, to regain your natural balance. Next time you exhale through your left nostril, relax both hands down to your lap. Take a breath in and a breath out on your own. And notice any changes or shifts in your mind, your body, your energy compared to when you began just a few minutes ago. You can continue that on your own, and I recommend you try that every day for the next few days as you transition from the summer into the fall months to help you restore your own inner sense of balance, to regain your energy and let your body naturally regenerate and reset. Thanks for being here. See you next time.